Omitting if in conditional sentences. In this lesson, you will learn how it is possible to make conditional sentences without if. This is possible for conditional sentences that contain were, had, and should. Let's take a look at an example of a conditional sentence where if has been omitted. Let's start with were.
Were I you, I'd take a vacation.
Okay, when removing if from conditional sentences with were, the first step is to take out if. The second step is to switch the positions of the subject and were. So were is the first word in the sentence. When using were in the dependent clause, it is a present unreal condition. Of course, as you learned in the last lesson, the result clause could be either present unreal or past unreal. Let's move on to another example with had.
Oh my gosh, are you sick?
Yeah.
Had I known you were sick, I would have brought you some soup. Sorry. Hang in there, buddy.
With unreal conditions in the past, the steps are the same. First, remove if, then invert the subject and had. Had I known you were sick, I would have brought you some soup. When you see had in the dependent clause, we're talking about a past unreal condition. All right, let's look at one last example with should.
Jake? 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 What's wrong? Jake? Okay, well, should you need anything, call my phone.
Finally, for true conditional statements containing should, again, remove if and invert the subject and should. Remember, any conditional sentence that begins with should is a real or true conditional. Finally, notice where not goes in each of these negative conditional sentences where if has been omitted. It's so easy, right? That concludes this lesson. Thank you for listening. I hope you learned a lot.